On my own, pretending he's beside me. Hold on, I walk with him till morning. In the darkness, I feel his arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes, and he has found me. I'm now deaf and